Hello and welcome to the Dynata training series. In this training video, we will cover conditional user-defined variables in MarketSight. You would use a conditional UDV if you wanted to combine two or more variables into a single variable, perhaps to define a market segment. Now, right-click on the space next to the variable name to select conditional UDV, or click on the new item in the action bar to select conditional variable. We will call this example market segments. We are going to identify 18 to 24-year-olds who use a lot of minutes on their cell phone every month. Next, select the category where the new variable will appear on the variable list page and other MarketSight pages. We will add the new variable to the demographics category. To define the first value, click Add New Value. In the dialog that appears, we will name the value itself age 18 to 24 high usage. The next step is to define the value, which will be based on the predecessor variable age and monthly minutes used. Search for your original or base variable here. In the example, we will type age and hit enter. This will filter this drop down so it includes only the variables with that string. The first one happens to be age, but when we open the drop down, we can see the others. Next, we choose from these two drop downs to complete the expression. First, we will select the operator equal to and then the 18 to 24-year-old age group. When finished, click Add to Definition. The expression just created now appears in this box below. The next part of our example variable is about monthly minutes used. So let's search for that variable to build the next part of the expression. Here we will type minutes and find the variable we are looking for. Now we need to define what we mean by high usage. In our example, that's 30 minutes a day or about 900 minutes a month. Since monthly minutes is a continuous variable, MarketSight shows the unique value that were provided by the survey respondents. First, we will select equal to or greater than from the operator drop-down. Then enter 900 into this value box. Before adding this new expression to the previous one, we need to connect them. Since both of these criteria need to be true, we will select AND, adding it to the display below. Finally, click Add to Definition to complete the expression. This is a relatively simple expression based on only two variables. We could use more variables and also make this more complex using parentheses, and, or not. We could also edit individual part of this expression if we spot a mistake or need to make a change. To edit any part of this expression, just select it and make changes above using the drop-downs. For example, to change our high usage threshold from 900 minutes to 600, edit this value and click Replace Selected Clause. We can also undo and remove certain items if needed. Let's click OK to save this value. We will have MarketSight create another value automatically by clicking this button Include All Others. This value will include all respondents that do not fit into the age 18 to 24 high usage group we just made. To save this new conditional UDV, click OK. MarketSight has created the market segment variable as we defined it. To get a quick view of the summary stats for this or for any other variable, just right-click on the name. This new variable is ready to use in a crosstab, chart or dashboard. We hope you find this video helpful and thank you for watching.